Hi, I'm Kellen from Jantek Industries. I want to let you know about some terrific job opportunities that we have for our window and patio door installers here at Jantek. These positions will support both our retail and light commercial business divisions. Operations here in South Central New Jersey, Northern Delaware, and Southeast Pennsylvania. Here's what Jantek will do for you. With Jantek, you are an employee, not a 1099 subcontractor. So that means Jantek has an hourly rate plus a unit bonus that nets you a paycheck that's way above the industry average. Jantek pays for your employee payroll taxes. You save self-employment taxes. Jantek provides you with medical, dental, sick, vacation time, and paid holidays. Jantek pays your workers' compensation insurance. Jantek provides you with a company vehicle and tools. Jantek pays for your EPA-required lead-safe certification and any other requirements. Jantek has manufacturing and distribution divisions that ensures you will work every day, even in inclement weather. Our installer positions have 3 skill level and pay grades ranging from entry level with basic tool use and handling, skill requirements up to crew leader, which requires a few years of strong window and door installation experience and leadership skills. Join us now and you will earn an additional super bonus of $1,500 when you have completed the installation of your 1,500th window. If you are serious about reaching your true potential, are willing to work hard and demonstrate the dedication to achieve, you want to work for a company that takes care of its employees with great pay and benefits and respect your contributions, then let's talk.